Struggling to understand linked lists? Dive into this beginner-friendly tutorial and master data structures in Swift and SwiftUI today. This is the app feature that we'll be creating. The user is able to enter a new person to be stored within the list, and then enter an ID, add the person to the list, to the linked list. As you can see, my name and ID is displayed within the list. You can also filter or search for names within a linked list by typing Bob or B. It locates all the names that contains the letter B. If I type in E, it locates all the names that contains the letter E. So this is the tutorial we'll be creating. In this tutorial, we will add the Add Person button, the text field ID field, and the list to show all the objects in our linked list. So the first thing we need to do is, after line 50, add another H-stack. The H-stack includes a system image name, which is calendar. The foreground color is grey. We also add our text field to enable the user to enter their ID. And for the keyboard side, we will use number pads. Text field style will be plain. Background, color, system grey 6. Corner radius, ten. Overlay, rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 10. Stroke will be a blue color with a line width of 1. Our style shouldn't be there, it should just be .blue. We have some padding. And trading, which is in an array. Oh, that should be dot leading. Next thing we need to do is to add our button to enable the user to add a new person. If let ID equals the int, so it will attempt to convert the ID as an int to an int, I mean. So what that does, if the ID can be converted to an int and the name is not empty, then using the view model, we add that new person onto the array with the name and ID. New name, blank, new ID, blank. On line 68, the I should be lowercase I. Let me check it first. Go to the definition. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it should be uppercase I. The next thing we need to do on line 74, we need to add our caption for our button, which is called add person dot font headline for the style, foreground color, white, padding, dot frame, max width, infinity, dot background, color is blue, corner radius 12, shadow. So we add a shadow to our button. Color dot blue dot opacity 0.3, radius 10, x0, y5. And then the next thing we need to do is to add a bit of padding. So just copy line 65. And now we just need to display the contents of our linked list using a for each loop within a list. Filter people, person in, vstack, alignment, not leading, spacing for, text, person.name, on line 90, the vstack should have a bracket there at the end. Got font, title 2, font weight, got bold, and then we display the ID for the person, which is person.id. Font, sub headline, foreground color is grey. Add some vertical padding, 10 pixels. Set the list style to plain. And then we set the background color to system gray 5, opacity 0.1, corner radius 15, padding, and then we increment on a pair, and then call the view model set up initial data method to populate our list. I think we need another closing bracket after lines 109. See if that fixes it. I know what it is. On line 106, I missed out a closing bracket. And another closing bracket should be there. Still not compiling. And here's the application running. As you can see, we can filter or add a new person to the linked list. Seems like that's code has crashed again. Try it again, add a new person. You can see the person has been added to the linked list. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.